Imagine your day-to-day online tasks happening on autopilot, freeing up your precious time for what truly matters. That's the magic of Zapier, the ultimate tool for connecting your favorite web applications and automating your digital life, all without writing a single line of code in just about 90 seconds. I'll show you how to harness its power. First, head over to Zapier.com and create an account if you haven't already once logged in. You'll be greeted by your dashboard to create a new automated workflow. We'll click on Create Zap in the top left corner. Every zap starts with a trigger A circumflex euros, an event that kicks off your automation. Think of it as the spark. Zapier asks what app you want to use as the trigger. Let's say we want to automatically save email attachments from Gmail to our Google Drive, so we'll select Gmail as our trigger app. Next, we choose the specific trigger event for our example. We'll select New Attachment in Gmail. Zapier will then prompt you to connect your Gmail account to authorize the connection. Now for the action A circumflex euros. What happens after the trigger? This is the task Zapier will perform automatically. Since we want to save attachments, we'll choose Google Drive as our action app. For the action event, we'll select Create File again. You'll need to connect your Google Drive account. This is where the magic really happens. Zapier intelligently identifies the data available from your trigger, Gmail, and allows you to map it to the fields in your action, Google Drive. You can tell Zapier to use the attachment's file name from Gmail as the file name in Google Drive, and the attachment content itself as the file data. Before turning your Zap on, it's crucial to test it. Zapier will run a test using a recent trigger event to ensure everything is set up correctly and data is flowing as expected. Once the test is successful, you can simply toggle your Zap to on, and it will start working automatically in the background now. Every new email with an attachment in your Gmail will instantly be saved to your designated Google Drive folder. This is just one simple example. Zapier can automate countless tasks, from adding new leads to your CRM directly from a web form to sending Slack notifications for new Trello cards. Stop wasting time on repetitive tasks and unleash your productivity. Start building your first Zap today.